A startup company in Southern California, SureGrip Incorporated, has developed and tested a highly effective and affordable anti-jackknifing system. The footage you are about to see was taken during SureGrip's product demonstration day in the parking lot at Qualcomm Stadium on August 15, 2008. The anti-jackknifing system being tested is codenamed Hercules. A professional truck driver will attempt to jackknife a tractor-trailer combo hauling nearly 40,000 pounds of steel plates, which is the equivalent of 10 full-sized sedans. This is quite dangerous, as a jackknife event would cause the driver to lose control and even possibly induce a rollover. This first attempt to jackknife the 40,000-pound load will be at 30 miles per hour. While the tractor-trailer approaches, a water truck wets the lockup zone to worsen traction and make conditions for a jackknife even more likely. At this point, we've slowed the footage down so you can see the details. Success. While the driver turned the tractor hard to the left, Hercules kept the trailer from swinging around on the kingpin, therefore preventing a certain jackknife. Now for another run at a slightly higher speed. 13 test runs were done on this day. You will see a sampling of 5 of them at progressive speeds. Once again, the footage is slowed down so you can see the details. Another success. The driver is gaining more confidence in SureGrip and its product codenamed Hercules. This time he will be nearing 45 miles per hour. Even at real-time speeds, it looks like nothing is happening, which is exactly what the designers intended. SureGrip's anti-jackknifing system can be set to automatically deploy and retract at any predetermined speed, so the driver never needs to leave the cab. This run is at 50 miles per hour, and the footage will be slowed down so you can see how difficult the turn is. Look at the right side of the tractor. See how hard it is leaning? The tractor turned while braking at 50 miles per hour on a wet surface. The trailer's inertia wanted to continue in a straight line, but Hercules prevented another certain jackknife. Due to the length of the test area, 55 miles per hour is the maximum you'll see today. Let's observe that again in slow motion. The driver became concerned about a concrete light pole looming in his windshield and suddenly steered hard to the right. Even during this lock-to-lock maneuver, Hercules prevented a certain jackknife during both turns. The SureGrip engineers designed the system to make these evasive measures, allowing the driver to remain in control. Here's a view from the side view mirrors during the last run. Notice how the semi remains in control. Mike Colton, our test driver for the day, made these comments right after that unexpected left-right maneuver.
Okay, one thing I noticed coming down there and making that hard left, I noticed that the pole was coming up and I had to make a right, and it was easy to recover. It's by locking the pin up on one side, it was just easy to straighten out and move to the right. It came to a good stop with no problem. I was really surprised how easy that was.
The federal government has been trying for over a decade to mandate that the industry must implement safety measures preventing jackknives and rollovers. But to date, no one has brought an effective anti-jackknifing system to the marketplace. Until now, SureGrip has 2 patents pending for its anti-jackknife systems and is ready to start production. Let's close with some final impressions from our test driver, Mike Colton.
Hi, my name is Mike Colton. I've been driving semi-trucks since 1995. In addition, I drive my antique trucks. I'm a member of the American Truck Historical Society. I drive my antique trucks all over the state of California and throughout the United States attending truck shows. Now, I didn't ever expect to be in a jackknife today. I've never been in a jackknife, and I didn't expect to be in one today. And there's no doubt this truck should have jackknifed without this anti-jackknife device, and you just had amazing control and was in control of the whole truck during the whole stopping process. And I'm sure that it's going to give drivers a sense of security, that they'll have control as they use this device throughout the United States.
Long-haul trucking alone encompasses over 400,000 companies with fleets totaling 8 million large trucks and employing over 9 million individuals. Market potential for an effective anti-jackknifing system exceeds $10 billion in the U.S. and Canada alone.